Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discover everything about one of the most emblematic dishes of Peru, grilled chicken. Join us on this delicious gastronomic journey. On July 21st of each year, Peru celebrates Grilled Chicken Day, a tribute to one of its most emblematic dishes. This festival not only highlights the culinary importance of this delicacy, but also its cultural and economic impact, both nationally and internationally. The origin of grilled chicken dates back to the 1950s in the Chaclacayo district of Lima, when Roger Schuler, a Swiss immigrant, together with his partner, Franz Ulrich, adapted an ancient technique of roasting chickens using a rotary cooking system. This method allowed the chicken to cook evenly, resulting in juicy meat and crispy skin. The origin of grilled chicken dates back to the 1950s in the Chaclacayo district of Lima, when Roger Schuler, a Swiss immigrant, together with his partner, Franz Ulrich, adapted an ancient technique of roasting chickens using a rotary cooking system. This method allowed the chicken to cook evenly, resulting in juicy meat and crispy skin. In Peru, the celebration of Grilled Chicken Day includes a series of activities ranging from gastronomic events to special promotions in restaurants. Chicken shops usually offer discounts and special menus, attracting families and friends to enjoy this dish in a festive atmosphere. There are also grilled chicken competitions, where chefs and cooks compete for the title of the best chicken in the region. These festivities not only highlight the gastronomic value of the dish, but also its social and cultural importance as a moment of union and celebration among Peruvians. Grilled chicken is not only a beloved dish in Peru, but has also gained recognition internationally. Restaurants around the world have adopted this style of cooking, bringing it to new audiences and contributing to the dissemination of Peruvian culinary culture. Grilled chicken has been highlighted in numerous renowned publications and gastronomic guides. The magazine Atlas Obscura has cataloged it as one of the essential meals of Peru, highlighting its unique flavor and its traditional preparation method. Likewise, Food Wine has praised this dish, including it in its list of the best chicken dishes in the world. Lonely Planet also mentions it in its travel guides as a must-try for those visiting Peru, and The Culture Trip has named it one of the most representative dishes of Peruvian cuisine. There are internationally recognized restaurants that prepare this Peruvian dish. Among them we have Pio Pio, New York, USA. This restaurant is one of the best known in the Big Apple for its delicious grilled chicken, offering an authentic experience with a modern touch. Nando's, London, United Kingdom. Although Nando's is a South African chain famous for its peri-peri chicken, in several of its locations in London, they have incorporated Peruvian grilled chicken into their menu, attracting curious diners to try this specialty. La Granja, Miami, USA. With multiple locations in Florida, La Granja offers a variety of Peruvian dishes, with grilled chicken being one of its stars, recognized for its authentic flavor. Grilled chicken is traditionally served with French fries and salad, although it is also common to find it accompanied by rice, fried cassava, or fried bananas. The salad is usually simple, made with lettuce, tomato, and onion, dressed with a light vinaigrette. The accompaniments may vary depending on the region and the restaurant, but chicken is always presented as the undisputed protagonist of the dish. Sauces are an essential component to enjoying grilled chicken. Among the most popular are yellow chili sauce, huancachna sauce, and ricotta mayonnaise. These sauces add a spicy and savory touch that perfectly complements the flavor of the chicken. Grilled chicken is much more than a dish. It is an expression of Peruvian culture and tradition. Its annual celebration reflects not only its culinary importance, but also its impact on the economy and national identity. As this dish continues to conquer palates around the world, grilled chicken is consolidated as a true ambassador of Peruvian gastronomy, bringing with it the flavor and cultural richness of Peru to every corner of the planet. So, whether you're in Lima, New York, London, or Miami, Grilled Chicken Day is a perfect opportunity to enjoy this delicious dish and celebrate its global legacy.